Hello everyone. Now we will see some other questions. Standard 11 in part 2 to M1 lesson 2. So what was that lesson? Trigonometry part 1. In that the one video we have done. In that we have seen how to find the trigonometric functions. Now one another question we will discuss. Question: find trigonometric functions of 13 pi by 4. So how to do this? Some idea I have given you, the rough briefs. We'll go ahead with this. 13 pi by 6, 4, 13 into 180 upon 4. This is 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 16, 4 5 the. So that is equal to 585 degree. How to plot this 585 degree? This is conversion into degrees. So that trick also I will teach you here. Now instead of going to this, what is meant by this 13 pi by 6, that I will break 13 pi by 4, I am sorry, is equal to, I will make as 12 pi plus pi upon 4. So this is 12 pi plus 1 pi is equal to 13 pi. So that is equal to 12 pi upon 4 plus pi upon 4. This is equal to 13 means 4 3 are 3 pi plus pi by 4. Now I have to plot this and see the quadrant where the angle is lying. So I will draw the unit circle. This is the unit circle. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. The radius of this circle is 1. Now this is 3 pi. Pi means 180. This is 1 pi. This is 2 pi. And this is 3 pi. Here this will complete 3 pi. And above that I have to go pi by 4. Pi by 4 means 180 upon 4 is 45. So I will come here. This much part is 3 pi up to this. From here to here 180, 360 and then pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, and above that 45 degree. So this is that point P. Point P. The coordinates we are taking x comma y, and I have told you this is nothing but 13 pi by 4. 13 pi by 4. This total angle is 13 pi by 4. Out of that, this much is 45 degree, means pi by 4. Afterwards we will write. Okay. So I have told you in the first lecture that I have to draw the perpendicular always on the x-axis. This is M. This is O origin. What I have to do, I have to find the x and y coordinate. Sine means y coordinate and cos means x coordinate, that we know. For that reason, I have to find x and y values. So, this angle, this is 45, so this is also 45 degree. So this is 45, 45, 90 degree. Triangle OPM is a 45 degree dash 45 degree dash 90 degree triangle. This OM is nothing but x and this PM is nothing but y. Hypotenuse is 1. OP is equal to 1. Consider the unit circle. OP is equal to 1. Now side opposite to 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. So this is also 1 upon root 2 into the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 1. So this will be 1 upon root 2 into 1, 1 upon root 2. This will be also 1 upon root 2. So OM equal to 1 upon root 2. Side opposite to 45 degree. And then PM is also 1 upon root 2, because that is also, this PM is also opposite to 45 degree. The region will be same. Therefore, what will be the x coordinate? This is x coordinate, means OM is the x coordinate. OP is the y coordinate. This is the distance. OM 1 upon root 2 is the distance. PM 1 upon root 2 is the distance. Therefore, x coordinate of M and y coordinate of P. Y coordinate is OP. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to, x is this OM. But now I have to consider the sign. Here x is negative, minus 1 upon root 2. And y is equal to, y is this distance. This is also in the third quadrant, so it is negative. Here onwards, y is negative. So this will be also minus 1 upon root 2. What do you mean by sine? Sine theta is equal to y coordinate. Therefore, sine of this angle is 13 pi by 4. This total angle is equal to, what is y coordinate? Minus 1 upon root 2. Cos theta is equal to x coordinate. Therefore, cos of 13 pi by 4 is equal to x coordinate is same way, minus 1 upon root 2. See that the angle is lying in the third quadrant. Here all students take coffee. Here the only tan is positive. That means sine, cos, they will be negative. See that sine has become negative, cos has also negative. Now tan theta is equal to tan of 13 pi by, tan theta is equal to sine upon cos. Sine means what? Y. Y upon x. That is equal to minus 1 upon root 2. This value I will first of all the angle. Tan of 13 pi by 4 is equal to minus 1 upon root 2 upon minus 1 upon root 2, and that is equal to 1. This you have to go. Now the remaining trigonometric ratios, sec, cosec, tan, cot, etc. Tan we have done, cot, etc. that you will find yourself. So hope that now this topic I will not revise once again. This is enough for you. So similarly, now you find the functions of, I will give you the homework. Assignment that you do at home. Seven pi by 3 then 13 pi by 3 and then minus of 330 degree. Minus, how to draw that angle, that just help I will give you. Minus will be drawn this way. Minus 330 means minus 360 is here. So up to this will be your minus 330 degree. That means this is 60 degree. 30, 30, 60. So this will be 30 degree. This way you have to do. Hope that you will do this properly. And in the feedback, give me whether you can do or not. In the comment section you can write.